Hey there, Matt here. A common question I get asked in regards to our skid steer loaders is what attachments can you get? Well, you can get a whole heap of attachments. You can get an auger drive, you can get different size bits, you can also get hammer attachments if you want, you can get a concrete mixer, you can get a trencher, the whole heap of different stuff. Normally when we talk on the phone, I'll work out if they'll fit on the trailer, we can rig it up for you or not. If you're interested to know more, make sure you contact us, and hopefully that helps you answer the question of what attachments can you get with the skid steer loader.